Here we are at the bench, continuing with our electronics install. The chassis weight, steel 30 gram weight is included with the carpet edition. I think a carbon fiber one is included with the dirt version. The instructions call to install the weight in the forwardmost position. And I'm glad to hear that, because as you recall, if you watched the servo installation video, I was not able to put that all the way forward. And so for those heavier components, to get some weight up front, I'm happy that, number one, that they included it, number two, that we're gonna mount it in the forwardmost position. And you know, with my previous X-Ray car, I was either needing to run a larger battery or add additional weight to get to the minimum weight, so I'm not worried about this thing being overweight. I'm just going to put a tiny little gob of thread lock on these tiny screws that are used to hold the plate in. I've never had any trouble with the X-Ray ones. I did have one of the associated ones strip out on me, and it was the actual plate, not the screw. So I've always been a little bit careful to not over tighten, and I feel a little better not over tightening if I've got just a little bit of thread lock on there. I'm not going to over tighten, but just make sure that they're snug. Nice to have a super clean chassis, no scrapes, no wear. We will, of course, put a chassis protector on there. And yeah, I'm curious what the car's gonna weigh in at. I know it's got the super lightweight body on it, which seems so flimsy to me. But we'll run it. You know, buggy bodies don't take too much of a beating. The wing, yes, but the body seems to last pretty long. I mean, I've had one race body that I've run for 2 full seasons on my 23. You know, it's got some cracks, but it's in totally serviceable condition. All right, so that's the 30 gram electronics chassis weight installed in the forwardmost position per the instructions.